Today, I am happy that I am seeking your partnership in realizing that ambition to transform Kenya. The world is experiencing unprecedented disruptions across many sectors. The fourth industrial revolution, as an era of human evolution through the technical advancement, is rapidly transforming how we live, transforming how we learn, work, and communicate, offering opportunities while presenting a new and significant challenge to our development. The recent World Economic Forum Jobs Report notes that the absence of proactive efforts, inequality in this century is likely to increase. Jobs held by lower wage workers, majority of whom are women and youth, have been deeply impacted by various disruptions, especially by globalization and, of course, the fourth industrial revolution. The government of Kenya has taken deliberate action to prioritize digital transformation. We have already profiled 5,000 government services to be digitized in the next 6 months. We have also a robust program on how to make digitization, to make internet access not the preserve of the few. And Kenya is going to extend, we're going to extend our fiber optic footprint another 100,000 kilometers around Kenya so that we can bring many people to the reality of using the internet and getting into the digital space. I can say confidently that we're expanding the universal access to broadband, embarking on the digitization of public services, supporting our robust startup ecosystem, and enhancing access to digital credit and improve monetization of digital public goods by our young entrepreneurs across Kenya. Our newly established State Department of Digital Economy, whose PS is sitting right here with us, is mandated to fast track these commitments. All the commitments you have made around the digital space, I give you my word that we intend to keep every commitment that we have made. Our vision of digital transformation towards the next industrial frontier is anchored on what is happening in the Konza Technopolis, which we are calling the Silicon Savannah. It represents Kenya's quest for a smart city, science park, and innovation hub rolled up into one. That is envisioned to contribute at least 2% to our GDP. We're also aware, however, that we, even as we speak, and we seek to expand our digital transformation, technology revolution must be achieved within planetary boundaries, especially so for us in Kenya, a leading country in sustainability and host to UNEP, the leading UN agency on environment. Kenya has always, and more specifically at COP27, we express our commitment to leverage on every available tool, including technology, to tackle the climate crisis. I would like to thank the Global Carbon Removal Partnership and the US Department of Energy for supporting us in carbon management. My task today here is to express and signal our commitment to lead the world in this new dispensation and to reiterate that Kenya is open for partnership and business. I invite US tech firms to pursue the emerging investment prospects in the Silicon Savannah in Konza. There are many lessons we can all draw from Silicon Valley and the research triangle, which will make Konza City a success story. I also invite you to take advantage of the opportunity present in Kenya's plan for digital superhighway, paperless and digital government, and the establishment of the robust data hubs as our country continues to strengthen our position as the technology gateway to the larger Eastern and Central Africa region. In particular, I wish to invite you to consider the range of highly beneficial opportunities in the development phase of the Konza Technopolis infrastructure and amenities, including the neutral data center. We'd like to partner with some of your enterprises, research and development and innovation facilities, regional office to support Africa operations, health facilities, housing, learning institutions, logistics park, smart stadium, and other sports facilities.
The fact that we African, whenever we make money, we send our children to study abroad. When we make money, we go for healthcare abroad. So I say, my mission in the next 10 years is to change that. So how we can change that is through collaboration and partnership. We have seen Abu Dhabi. I just flew from Abu Dhabi this morning. They have Sorbonne. They have American Hospital. Why in Africa we cannot have those resources? We're talking about a couple of million of dollars. Our government, private people spending billions of dollars every year traveling to Dubai or whatever for healthcare, for education. This is what brought me to this partnership. You know, the first center starting in Kenya, and then we're going to choose 7 other centers in Africa to work on the digital transformation, because we all know that we miss the other revolution. We cannot miss this fourth revolution, because we have the competitive advantage of we have the youngest population of the world, and we need to take advantage of that. And training, education will be key in order to achieve that. So this is where we are today, and we invite other people, government, private sector, to join this initiative, because this is for the future of Africa and it's for the future of the world.
These projects have brought local jobs, they have helped educate, and they supported local entrepreneurship. They have brought economic resilience at a time when a pandemic disrupted tourism, and they have brought environmental resilience during a time of regional drought. Kenya's potential for creating carbon projects, removals, and emissions reductions like these is enormous. Through protecting, restoring, and improving the management of grasslands, savannas, forests, and other lands and waters, our science shows that Kenya's potential from these natural climate solutions is more than twice greenhouse gas emissions in Kenya from all sources. More than twice. There are only a couple of other countries in the world where it's even close to that number. Your ideas of growing Kenya's role as a carbon exporter on your country's own terms are well-founded. Conservation International commits to partnering with the government of Kenya and will continue investing financial resources and technical assistance. We commit to working with Kenya's Ministry of Environment and Forestry and other stakeholders to establish a nesting framework which will unlock greater investment in climate finance, supporting Kenya's people and securing Kenya's place as a climate leader. We can and will do this if the government of Kenya enables us with finalization of the REDD+ framework and other required policy instruments. So I stand here before you with others united in our commitment to a range of carbon and climate solutions in Kenya.